We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and we're looking at a 2015 Harley-Davidson Dyna Wide Glide in vivid black. It's a nice big front wheel with a single-sided disc brake. And this one also has ABS on it. We have a blacked out engine with some nice chrome detailing like the edges of the fins. Rider and passenger riding pegs. A little mini sissy bar. And it also has this nice silver pinstriping all the way through the bike. On this side we have some really nice chrome detail. The intake, the slatted heat shield on the exhaust is a nice touch. And this is all on top of that 103 cubic inch engine. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.